Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use YouTube Premiere feature. YouTube Premieres allows you to schedule a pre-recorded video to air as a live event with a complete countdown and live chat. This feature is ideal for building hype around major releases or special announcement. Now to set up a Premiere, all you have to do is open your YouTube Studio application. From there, go ahead and tap on Create button or Upload Videos and select your file. Now once you select your file, go ahead and fill in your title, description and thumbnail as usual. Then navigate to the Visibility tab. From there, you should be able to find this Schedule option. Go ahead and click on it, and from there, choose your date and time. Then check the box for Set as Premiere option. However, it is not shown in mine, but it should be available in yours from the PC or browser. And once you click on it, tap Set up Premiere to choose a countdown theme. Could be calm or cinematic, and duration 1 minute to 5 minutes. Then tap Schedule to finish, and a public watch page will pop up in your audience's page with a countdown in it. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.